Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is lcdreplacement at your service. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of Infinix, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the Infinix Note 12, we have something incredibly useful for you: the Infinix Note 12 LCD replacement. Whether it's a minor mishap or a major fall, we'll discuss why this component is a must-have for your device. Now, let's face it, the Infinix Note 12 is an exceptional smartphone, known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface. But like any piece of technology, accidents can happen. A drop can lead to a cracked screen, or a faulty LCD could create issues that disrupt your mobile experience. That's why knowing how to handle repairs, especially when it comes to your LCD, is so crucial. So why is the LCD so vital to your smartphone? The LCD, or liquid crystal display, is the main interface between you and your device. It's responsible for displaying everything from your favorite photos to critical notifications. The Infinix Note 12 boasts a vibrant LCD that complements its stunning design, allowing users to enjoy movies, games, and apps in brilliant quality. However, should anything happen to that display, usability plummets. Imagine trying to navigate your interface with a cracked screen. It can be frustrating, not to mention that it can further lead to issues like water damage or touch sensitivity problems. Therefore, having a reliable replacement is necessary for anyone who values their mobile experience. Signs that you need an LCD replacement. Okay, now let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you know if your Infinix Note 12's LCD needs replacing? Here are some signs to look out for. 1. Cracks or scratches. The first and most obvious sign is visual damage. Even a small crack can lead to further problems if not addressed. 2. Discoloration. If parts of your screen appear to be discolored, or if you see a persistent dead spot where the pixels aren't lighting up, it's time for a change. 3. Flickering. If your screen is flickering or lagging, your LCD might be on the fritz. This can be problematic when you're trying to navigate your device smoothly. 4. Touch sensitivity issues. If the touch screen is unresponsive in certain areas, or if it behaves erratically, this can signal a failing LCD. 5. Water damage. If your Infinix Note 12 has been exposed to liquid and is displaying unusual behavior or visuals, it's essential to seek a replacement quickly. Why choose an Infinix Note 12 LCD replacement? You might be wondering, why go for an Infinix Note 12 specific LCD replacement? Here are some compelling reasons. 1. Quality assurance. Using genuine parts ensures that you maintain the quality, feel, and functionality of your smartphone. Generic replacements might not deliver the same visual quality or touch responsiveness. 2. Warranty protection. Many third-party parts can void existing warranties. Using an official replacement often preserves your warranty status. After replacing your LCD, you might also want to consider ways to prevent future damage, such as investing in a strong case. A good case can absorb shock and protect your phone from falls. Screen protectors. These can shield your LCD from scratches and minor impacts. Being mindful. Take extra precautions when handling your device. Avoid placing it in the same pocket as sharp objects, and try to be cautious about where you place it down. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Infinix Note 12 LCD replacement. As tech enthusiasts, we understand how essential your smartphone is to your daily life, and we hope this guide gives you the confidence to tackle repairs head-on. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Have experience with replacing your LCD? Share your journey in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your devices and stay tuned to lcdreplacement for more exciting content.